Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you're looking to increase employee engagement, but you don't know where to start. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Make sure you stick around till the end of this video so you can see how you can get 100 more tips that you can immediately use. Today's tip: treat your staff better than you treat your customers. Remember, your employees are your internal customers. How you take care of them is a good indication as how they will take care of your customers. So how do you do it? First, you want to know what makes your employees happy? Ask them, listen to them, and take action based on their suggestions. Maintain your employee gathering areas as well as you take care of management and customer areas. And regularly let your team know how much you appreciate the contributions they're making to the company. Be specific. Remember, what gets recognized gets repeated. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement simply by clicking on the link in the description below. See you next time.